What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be trying out this microblading eyebrow pencil. So if you're interested in seeing if it works or not, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is how my brows are looking before. This is the eyebrow pencil that I'm going to be using. Okay. And I will link where I got this down below. This says 24 hours waterproof fashion eyebrow ink pen, and it looks like it's by Lula Professional. So link will be down below. What color is this? Black? I know I did not ask for black. I'm pretty sure I asked for dark brown. So hopefully this doesn't look crazy. Alright guys, let's see. Okay, so it looks like, I don't know if you'll be able to tell or not, but it's like little teeth, which I guess will give it a microblading effect. So what I'm gonna do first is just go underneath my eyebrow like I normally would. Okay, now I'll go on top. Okay, so far so good. So now I'm gonna try and get like this teeth effect. Let's see. It kind of makes like teeth, like it looks like little hairs. Probably was not a good demonstration, but maybe I'm being too light-handed. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I just don't want to go overboard and be looking crazy. Hold on, let me get a mirror. Looks pretty natural. To be honest, I don't know if I see like the effect they were going for with the hair strokes. I'm trying to do it on my hand. You can kind of see little lines, but I don't know if I really see that on my eyebrow. But my eyebrow still looks pretty good. Let me try the other eyebrow. So, as far as filling the eyebrow in, like normally how I would with any pencil, it does pretty good. Not gonna lie. Okay. I think I just added a little bit too much. But as far as the microblading part, where it's supposed to look like little hair strokes, I don't know if I'm just not good at it, but let's see. I mean, kinda. So this is what it looks like, y'all. And that's as much as I'm gonna do. This one kind of looks a little fluffy and crazy. Hold up. Okay, I'm gonna stop before I mess this up. Oh, shoot. This is the final look of the brow. They look pretty good. I like this one better. This one looks a little jank. But, so, what do I rate this product? Out of 10, I'm gonna give this like a 7. 7.5. It looks good, it looks natural, but as far as the microblading effect, I don't know if I really get that. I mean, it doesn't claim to be a microblading pencil, but the fact that it has these little teeth, you can see, like that's what the pen looks like. I hope you guys can see that. But yeah, it shows that the pen has little teeth, and so I assume that's to look like hair, you know? So, yeah. Overall, if you just want to fill your brows in like normal, I think it definitely is a good product. But as far as, like I said, the microblading effect, to me it didn't work that well. So, yeah, this is what they look like. Let me know down below what you guys think. Alright, so I did actually go in and just brush out the front a little bit, and it looks better. So yeah, you guys, this is the finished look of the eyebrow pencil. Let me know your thoughts down below. As always, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.